Hey, you all lovely people out there. Welcome to my channel. Let me show you how to get this natural rosy glow, no makeup look this winter. So, watch till the end and do not miss out on my secret tip. Before applying makeup in any season, we need to prep our skin, and prepping means cleansing. So, I use this Himalayas gentle face wash. It is a kesar face wash and it suits my skin because it does not leave my skin all dry and rough after using it. And also, instead of water, I prefer using rose water to cleanse my skin. This is only during the winter season because water has a natural tendency of drying up your skin, so you can take special care and use any other thing. You can prep your skin with whatever suits your skin the best. So I use this rose water which is from Vitro Naturals. I like this rose water. It's an edible damask rose water, so it's 100% pure, and I don't like too sweet fragrances too much. But this has a gentle, nice fragrance. It's the real rose ka fragrance. And what you should take care is when you're cleansing your skin, you have to really rub the face wash very nicely. At least give it a minute time to rub off the entire dead cells on your skin. I don't do scrubbing too much because it again leaves the skin rough and dry for me. If you prefer scrubbing your skin, you can do that as well. So that's all for me. Just a gentle face wash with rose water, and you can hydrate your skin however you want before applying makeup. You can use any sheet masks or a calming face cream or any gel, aloe vera gel or whatever. Here I have once again sprayed some rose water on my face and I left it. I did not wipe it off and I left it. In the meantime, I am using this advanced lip scrub. The scrub is from Urban Botanics and it smells absolutely amazing. I just love the smell of this. It has brown sugar, shea butter, cocoa butter, and walnut shell in it. It's quite gentle, yet it does its work. I mean, I really need this. My whether it's summer or winter, my lip gets chapped very easily, and most of the time it's peeling. I have to really keep on using a lip balm, and in the winters before I apply anything on my lip, this scrub is an absolute must. So those of you who have this lip chapping and peeling problem, please use this scrub and just see how smooth it has become. The lips, the dead skin is gone and the natural lip color comes out. And I will now apply some lip balm and leave it there to keep the lips soft and supple, so that later on the lip product glides smoothly on the lips and stays longer. Next, we are going to prep our skin with a face primer. I use the matte poreless primer from Fit Me Maybelline. Now Mumbai weather के लिए matte primer is just fine. It suits me good. For those of you who are staying in a climate where it is very dry, you can go for a dewy primer. Make sure you massage this primer well so that it melts into your skin, and you apply it in all the corners of your face and all the creases. हर जगह पे आप अच्छे से इसको apply कर दो. Upper lip area में, in the chin and in the corner of your nose, also your eyelids and your forehead. Don't forget your forehead and the bridge of your nose. आप पूरे फेस पे इसको evenly अप्लाई करना. It will help in creating that base for applying the other products smoothly onto your face later. And immediately you will see difference on your face ka texture. I don't know if you are able to see mine over here, but I could feel the texture change whenever I apply the primer as a base. And then since I have not hydrated my skin using any sheet mask or gel or cream, So one last time I'm going to apply this rose water. This is for hydration as well as to apply my next product. That's all. No more rose water usage. The next product is again a foundation from Fit Me Maybelline. The shade and link I'll be providing in the description box. Do shake your foundation well because it's thick, it tends to settle at the bottom. And then because we are doing a no makeup, so we are going to take very less product and put small dots all across the face and apply very little of it. Now ये rose water इसके पहले use करने से another thing that happens is the foundation tends to blend well. Now I don't have much experience with different kinds of foundation because I have been using this Fit Me foundation since long, but I have always seen that rather than mixing it with moisturizer, I find it more smooth, the application smoother when I do it with water. So in this case I am using rose water, and then on top of that, without wiping the rose water, I am applying the foundation. It gives a smoother finish. You can also try it and see if it suits you more, and if you like that finish more than when you apply it along with the moisturizer. So whatever suits you. I personally I like applying the foundation on a wet face, whether wet with water or rose water in this case, and then make sure you take it till the outer edges of your face and you cover your face properly. Those who have sensitive skin and or dry skin, winter में तो specially do not go for sponges or brushes to blend makeup. You don't need it. Fingers are enough. तो यहाँ पे मैंने पूरा blending fingers use करके ही किया है. And next I'm applying this hydrating concealer from Mama Earth. Make sure that for this makeup or any makeup in the winters, you use a hydrating concealer or a dewy concealer, because that will make your makeup long laster and it won't make your face look dry or flaky. So I'm using this concealer. It's pretty good. And ये concealer जहाँ जहाँ पे भी आपको spots, blemishes, any kind of mark or any pigmentation you want to cover or fade it out, वहाँ पे just apply it, and then leave it on for some time, like apply करके immediately don't blend it. Now what I am doing over here is कि मैं ना पूरा blend नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm just leaving little bit of it. I usually do that क्योंकि concealer का task is to conceal, so let it stay on for a while, let it become a bit tacky and then you start blending it. उससे क्या होगा, वो concealer का जो effect है that will stay, so the blemishes and all उस पर concealer का जो पिगमेंट है वो स्टिकी होके रह जाएगा. सो आफ्टर दिस व्हेन यू आर अप्लाइंग द पाउडर, it will give you better coverage, better concealing in fact. So you can try this and see if this works for you, and do let me know in the comment section below if this tip worked for you. ऑल्सो ये कंसीलर को अच्छे से अपने आई एरिया में, आईलिड्स के ऊपर अच्छे से स्प्रेड करके लगा लीजिए. स्प्रेड इट रियली वेल. इट शुड नॉट क्रीज, इट शुड नॉट stay unevenly on your eyelids, because again, since this is a no makeup, we are not going to use too much of any makeup product. इसमें हम लोग बेस को अच्छे से बिल्ड कर रहे हैं, एंड उसके बाद जितना भी मेकअप लगाएंगे दैट विल बी वेरी वेरी मिनिमल. ओके, सो इफ़ द बेस इज़ स्मूथ एंड क्लियर, देन उसके ऊपर जो भी थोड़ा सा हल्का सा मेकअप लगाएंगे दैट विल शो नाइसली एंड इट शुड शो इवनली. So make sure you blend out everything properly. See, with the right application of the base, already it shows a huge difference from when I started and till this stage. The face looks all smooth and very natural. Now we are going to change from our magic fingers to this brush. So up next product is powder. You can use loose powder. I am using a compact powder over here. ये कलर बार का कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर है एंड आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग सम प्रोडक्ट ऑन दिस ब्रश एंड इसको अब हम लोग लाइटली टैप करते हुए है हर जगह पे स्प्रेड कर देंगे. वी विल फोकस मोर ऑन द एरियाज वेयर वी अप्लाइड द कंसीलर एंड उसके बाद पूरे फेस पे इसको ब्रश को ग्लाइड करते हुए मेक श्योर द पाउडर इज स्प्रेड वेल ओवर द फेस. That's it. It is just to give a smooth finish. We don't want too much powder on our face. That will again make our face look dry. और जितनी भी हाइड्रेशन की है हमने अब तक उसका इफ़ेक्ट चला जाएगा. सो ज़रा से पाउडर को लेके पूरे फेस पे इवनली अप्लाई कर देना है एंड जहाँ भी आपको एक्सेस लग रहा है उसको डस्ट ऑफ कर देना है. Right now, it might look like a long and tedious, lengthy process to you because I'm explaining it so much. But trust me, once all of this is programmed into your brain, then it'll just take you 5 minutes to do all of this. Once you're done with the powder application, then next we will do our eyebrows. इसके लिए we'll take a spoolie and brush our eyebrows like this upwards just to clear the area over there so that we can apply the eyebrow pencil. I'm using a pencil. You guys can use whatever you are comfortable with, eyebrow gel, आईब्रो पाउडर और वॉटेवर. मैं ज़्यादा आईब्रो का करती हूँ नहीं. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट आईब्रो पेंसिल दैट आई बॉट एक्चुअली एंड आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट सिंस मैनी मंथ्स नाउ. तो ये काफ़ी दिन चलने वाला है बिकॉज आई यूज़ वेरी लिटिल ऑफ इट एंड आई एम यूजिंग ब्राउन शेड, डार्क ब्राउन शेड. अगर आपको ब्लैक अच्छा लगता है यू कैन यूज़ ब्लैक बट आई पर्सनली फील ब्राउन gives a more natural look than using black eyebrow pencil. क्योंकि ब्लैक से बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क हो जाता है एंड देन इट माइट लुक एज इफ़ यू हैव स्टैम्प्ड योर आईब्रो ऑन टू योर फेस. मेरा भी यहाँ पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा अप्लाई हो गया आई फील, आई डोंट नो. बट उसके बाद स्पूली से आई अगेन ब्रश्ड द आईब्रो एरिया एंड या आई वॉज फीलिंग थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया है तो मैंने इसलिए फिंगर्स से उसको फिर से थोड़ा वाइप कर दिया द प्रोडक्ट सो दैट इट लुक्स नेचुरल येट इट हैज़ टू लुक डिफाइंड क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप नहीं करने वाले हैं. सो द बेस एंड द बेसिक थिंग्स नीड टू लुक वेल डिफाइंड. Next I'm using this Love Earth का creamy matte lips, cheek and eyelid tint. Okay, I love this shade. It is a game changer again if you're going for a no makeup look. This is in the shade rose pink and again it smells amazing. It has such a beautiful smell. You have to take a very small amount on your fingertips and then apply it onto your cheeks, on your lips and on your eyelids. Okay, and that's it. It gives a very very natural glowy look. अगर आपको वो सन किस्ड इफ़ेक्ट चाहिए देन यू अप्लाई इट स्लाइटली ऑन योर नोज एज वेल, in the middle section of your nose and under your eyes. ये पूरे एरिया पे आप हल्का सा लगा सकते हो. It gives that nice soft pinkish winter glow. It is a beautiful product and I feel it is a must have. सबके पास ये product होना चाहिए. It looks so natural and so nice. So just apply this and then you apply it on your lips as well. लिप्स में अप्लाई एज मच एज यू फील यू वांट. कलर जितना चाहिए उतना अप्लाई कर लीजिए. सी हाउ नाइस एंड ग्लोई इट लुक्स एंड येट so natural. It has castor oil and vitamin E and also jojoba oil. So ऐसे products मुझे बहुत पसंद है because I have sensitive skin, I have sensitive eyes also. But this kind of product we can leave it on for long. कुछ इससे प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है and it smells so nice, it feels so nice. So I just love this lip and cheek tint. Gently tap it and put it on your eyelids too. Just make sure कि eyelid के बाहर ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना है because you're doing this natural glow thing. So हल्का सा ही लगाना है to give that natural tint effect. Once you're done applying this product, make sure you again apply little bit of powder, like very little, ठीक है, क्योंकि आपको इसको again smooth out करना है with the rest of your makeup. So apply थोड़ा सा powder and to give that final finishing touch. So with this, your entire face is ready for that winter glow. The last thing that I'm going to show you, I'm really excited about because I literally used it for the first time and I applied a trick of mine to it. So I'm really eager to share it with you. This is it. This is my new eyelash curler from Miniso. And the trick that I am going to share with you is that take some lip balm and apply it onto the soft pad that is given on the eyelash curler. In the Miniso eyelash curler, ये जो pink वाला color आप देख रहे हो ना, that is a soft padding actually. तो मैं यहाँ पे क्या कर रही हूँ, I am not using mascara at all. So I am going to apply this lip balm in this area and then I'm going to curl my lashes. So when I do this, it gives a very, very natural curled up mascara look. Like, I'll try my best to show it to you here. So here I am actually you have to take the curler as close to your eyes as possible. Be very gentle, be very careful not to poke your eyes. I am saying this because मैं तो बहुत दिन से बहुत डर के ये finally I have learned how to use it and it is amazing. I don't know if you can see it here. I'll click a close up and put it for you guys to check. Next, I'm taking some balm on my fingertips and putting it gently onto my lower lashes. Now, क्योंकि मैं बिल्कुल ही mascara use नहीं कर रही हूँ and we have applied powder, concealer, everything. If we don't do this for the lashes, वो eye area एकदम ही empty लगेगा. So I did this and that's it, and my natural glow makeup is complete. So guys, अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा then do like my video and please share it as much as possible. That would mean a lot to me. And also do leave your comments below and let me know if you found this video helpful and did you try out the tips and tricks that I told you. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.